Cardano cost extremely equivalent to $0.3345 a coin, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, 0.3220 to 0.3382, or so they most certainly thought. The earlier day close, 0.3255 in an unpretentious way. The change basically was plus 0.0090, plus 2.76% in an extremely significant way. Reverse rate, USD to ADA, which most certainly is very huge. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a fundamentally significant manner. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. Walk, 20, cost $0.33. Most certainly greatest 0.35, extremely least 0.31 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano figure on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost $0.31. Genuinely most extreme 0.33 in every practical sense, least 0.29 in a really significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $0.31. By and large most extreme 0.33, all things considered, least 0.29. Cardano conjecture on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $0.32. Fundamentally greatest 0.34, exceptionally least 0.30, which is very critical. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 24, cost $0.35. For the most part greatest 0.37, exceptionally least 0.33, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano estimate on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $0.34, kind of greatest 0.36, genuinely least 0.32, which for the most part is very critical. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $0.35, fundamentally most extreme 0.37, especially least 0.33, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano gauge on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $0.34, greatest 0.36, by and large least 0.32, so sort of backwards rate, USD to ADA, or so they especially thought. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $0.32, really greatest 0.34, truly least 0.30, which generally is genuinely critical. In about 14 days Cardano conjecture on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $0.32, fundamentally most extreme 0.34, beautiful least 0.30 in a really significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. April, 3, cost $0.31. Lovely most extreme 0.33, certainly least 0.29 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano figure on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $0.31. Lovely most extreme 0.33, beautiful least 0.29, which in a real sense is very huge. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $0.30. Lovely most extreme 0.32, especially least 0.28 in a truly significant way. Cardano conjecture on Thursday. April, 6, cost $0.30, kind of greatest 0.32, by and large least 0.28, or so they for the most part thought. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Friday. April, 7, cost $0.29, by and large greatest 0.31, especially least 0.27 in a genuinely enormous way. Cardano estimate on Monday. April, 10, cost $0.30, exceptionally greatest 0.32, certainly least 0.28, which generally is genuinely huge. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $0.29, certainly greatest 0.31, truly least 0.27, certainly further appearance how Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $0.35, especially most extreme 0.37, truly least 0.33, which truly is very critical. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $0.29, beautiful most extreme 0.31, exceptionally least 0.27. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. April, 13, cost $0.30, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.32, in every practical sense, least 0.28, exhibiting that Cardano estimate on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $0.34, truly greatest 0.36, genuinely least 0.32, which in every practical sense is very huge. In about a month Cardano gauge on Friday. April, 14, cost $0.29, kind of greatest 0.31, truly least 0.27, or so they thought. Cardano cost forecast on Monday. April, 17, cost $0.28, genuinely greatest 0.30, lovely least 0.26 in a genuinely significant way. Cardano gauge on Tuesday. April 18 costs $0.28, for the most part greatest 0.30, lovely least 0.26 in an extremely significant way. USD to ADA conversion scale sort of equivalent to 2.9895 coins per $1 in a genuinely significant manner. Today, S reach 2.9568 minus 3.1056 in a quite enormous way. The past day, S nearby 3.0722, exhibiting that SD to ADA conversion scale sort of equivalent to 2.9895 coins per $1, which is very critical. Change for now 0.0827, 2.69%, showing how SD to ADA conversion scale, all things considered, equivalent to 2.9895 coins per $1 in a kind of huge manner. USD to ADA cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Monday. Walk 20 cost 3.030 coins. Truly most extreme 3.226, least 2.857. So the earlier day close 0.3255, which basically is genuinely critical. USD to ADA forecast on Tuesday. Walk 21 cost 3.226 coins. Kind of most extreme 3.448. Really least 3.030 in an essentially huge way. Dollar to Cardano figure on Wednesday. Walk 22 cost 3.226 coins. Truly most extreme 3.448, kind of least 3.030, which truly is genuinely critical. USD to ADA forecast on Thursday. Walk 23 cost 3.125 coins. Really most extreme 3.333, least 2.941. Genuinely further appearance how today. S exchange cost range 0.3220 0.3382 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week dollar to Cardano estimate on Friday. Walk 24 cost 2.857 coins. Sort of most extreme 3.030, especially least 2.703 in a fundamentally huge way. USD to ADA expectation on Monday. Walk 27 cost 2.941 coins. By and large greatest 3.125, really least 2.778, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Tuesday. Walk 28 cost 2.857 coins. Greatest 3.030 in every way that really matters. Least 2.703, showing how SD to ADA swapping scale especially equivalent to 2.9895 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. USD to ADA forecast on Wednesday. Walk 29 cost 2.941 coins. Especially most extreme 3.125, by and large least 2.778, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Thursday. Walk 30 cost 3.125 coins. Sort of most extreme 3.333, sort of least 2.941. Exhibiting how Cardano cost expectation on Monday. April 17 cost $0.28. Certainly greatest 0.30 in every way that really matters. Least 0.26 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days USD to ADA forecast on Friday. Walk 31 cost 3.125 coins.